Okay, here's something that we are not allowed to see very often anymore, which is a Haarp downburst of dry air over a thunderstorm complex in Texas. And I think this is happening just constantly, but here it is late on a Sunday afternoon, and they did not smear over this satellite image. So here we can see, some thunderstorms forming, and then you see this ring of darkness. This is water vapor mode, and that means that this dark ring is dry air. And what would cause dry air being pushed down? If we look at the surface map, sorry, I should have made it bigger. If we look at the surface map, there's just light south wind. One thing I have noticed is when they're doing the Haarp downburst, generally the surface map shows a lot of weird squiggles, and this is a line of equal pressure. That's isobar. So when they're doing a Haarp downburst, the computer is trying to figure out what the heck is going on, and you get these really weird looking lines. Granted, the Haarp downburst is here, and a jet stream, that's just really weird. About a week ago I made a video saying that one way to prove the Haarp downburst is to look at the change in the jet stream speed, and what was it called? Jet stream speed change proves Haarp or something like that. Anyway, this entire weekend, both the jet stream maps have had no speed indicators on them. This is just weird. Okay, now here's a couple of speed indicators over Hawaii. That's the only ones on this map. But they don't do a Haarp downburst over Hawaii. And okay, there's one up in here in Quebec or someplace. But normally this map is populated with the speed indicators, and now it's just totally naked. We can look at the surface map. Oh, that's lots of speed indicators there, and this one also. So evidently they look at my videos and adjust the satellite data accordingly to hide any evidence of Haarp. So if we look at water vapor mode, we can see the expanding ring of dryness, but the surface pressure map and the jet stream map do not show anything that would cause that. And also the composite radar mosaic has this strange line. That's just weird. I don't know what the heck that is. But it kind of looks, well, like it's been edited to hide something. But that's very strange. And also, over northwestern New Mexico, or Mexico here, there is actually a pretty decent high pressure. But if we look at the standard current surface analysis from IntelliCast, we see like a trough here, and there's a little, even the trough line has a break in it. So none of this is normal. Anyway, it's a Haarp downburst, and if you look at the visual mode, visible light, there's just nothing there. And also long wave infrared, nothing there. Short wave infrared, short wave infrared, nothing there. The only place to see this effect is in the water vapor mode, and they've just been really diligent about editing the water vapor mode maps. So it is very rare now to actually see the expanding ring of dry air from a Haarp Downburst, and that's why I made this video, because this is still happening constantly, but the satellite images are now just butchered. They are pretty much worthless if you ask me. One reason that they might be doing this is that Texas is going to be getting a bunch of rain, and they might want to try and reduce that. But I mean, okay, 8 p.m. that's actually the current time. Okay, and looks like they have made sure. Oh, there's some rain right there, and that is 5 p.m. Eastern Monday, so that's about 36 hours. It's actually 48 hours. Oh, I'm too tired. I'm sorry. It's about 24 hours. Alrighty, so just wanted to document that. That's just classic. Why they're doing it right there, I know a couple of reasons, but I'm not going to say. So anyway, poor folks in California, you know, I should mention one thing. California is getting heavy chemtrails again, and let's see if we look at this view, you can see a bunch of chemtrails being produced out there, and they're put over the ocean where nobody can see it, and then the jet stream sweeps them on in. And look at these straight lines here. Disgusting. Straight line, straight line, straight line. And then that stuff smears out, and here's a bunch of fan shapes again. They've become very fond of fan shapes. Some way of moderating a low pressure to keep it from building into a strong low pressure. And then the jet stream carries it straight into California, where it goes down like that. Bummer, folks. No rain in California when you've been chemtrailed. It forms the hot air layer aloft, capping inversion, prevents rain. Okay, thanks for watching.